friends, my name is Lauren. I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library, and welcome to week 4 of our We're Gonna Make It challenge. Each week I'll give you a new idea of something to build or make, and this week's theme is musical instruments. I'm going to show you how to make this shaker drum. Let's get started. Start by thinking about things in your house that make noise and containers you can put them in. You'll also need tape and scissors and a little bit of paper. I've got a neat little clear container here. Let's see what happens when I drop these caps inside. That was a pretty cool sound. Let's see if we can get a different sound when we put these pin back buttons in there. Those are some pretty great sounds. Now I want a really big final project, so I'm going to use this coffee container, but you could also use a tin can with a balloon or something on top. I like this one because it's got a top already. Now it's time to cut a piece of paper that's big enough to wrap all the way around our container. Let's make sure our paper is big enough to wrap all the way around our container. Perfect. Looks like we need to take a little bit off the top. Let's mark how much of this paper needs to come off the top, and then we'll give it a little haircut. This looks pretty good. Let's just check and make sure it's the right height. Yep, there we go. Now it's time for the most fun part of the project, decorating. I will meet you back here when I'm all done. Here we are. I've got my finished design. I need a little piece of tape. I'm going to tape this right to the middle of the container, and then I'm going to wrap my paper around good and snug. Make sure you have a tight fit, and you can tape the other end. When your project is firmly taped, you have a choice. You can be done here and give it a tap, or you can go a little bit further and drop something inside that'll make a different kind of noise. Here are my caps. Put that top on and give it a shake. And now you have your own musical instrument. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a shaker drum. Remember, We're Gonna Make It is about crafting with supplies you have around your house. I had these supplies and I saw a drum, but I'd like you to look around and see the different things that you can create with. I'm going to link to a Pinterest board full of some great ideas to get you started. When you're done creating, have a grown-up email your work to library@cranfordnj.org. You have all weekend to build, but make sure to get your submissions in by Sunday night, because on Monday we're going to make a virtual gallery of everybody's incredible work. I can't wait to see what you create.